Ollama versus llama.cpp. Which local AI tool is better? Choosing the right local AI tool can transform your AI experience without relying on cloud services. We'll briefly explore Ollama and llama.cpp to help you decide. Ollama and llama.cpp are two popular local AI tools designed for running language models on your own hardware. The core difference lies in their architecture and ease of use. Ollama offers a polished interface, while llama.cpp focuses on lightweight, efficient execution. Ollama is a local AI platform that provides a user-friendly environment to run large language models on your computer. It simplifies setup by bundling models and tools into a cohesive application. Users can interact with AI models through a clean interface, making it accessible for developers and enthusiasts who want local control without complex configurations. Ollama supports multiple models and offers integration options that enhance productivity. Its strength lies in balancing performance with usability, enabling smooth interaction with AI while maintaining privacy since everything runs locally. However, Ollama may require more system resources compared to minimalistic alternatives, and its closed ecosystem might limit customization for advanced users. Ideal users are those who want a straightforward, reliable local AI experience with minimal technical hurdles and solid support for popular models. For more details, visit Ollama.com. llama.cpp is an open source project designed to run Facebook's llama language models efficiently on local machines, including low-powered devices. It uses optimized C++ code to minimize memory usage and maximize speed, making it ideal for users who want to run AI models without heavy hardware demands. llama.cpp supports quantization techniques to reduce model size, allowing it to run on laptops, desktops, and even some mobile devices. Its strength is in its lightweight design and flexibility, as users can modify and build upon the codebase. However, it lacks a polished user interface and requires more technical knowledge to set up and operate effectively. It's perfect for developers and AI enthusiasts comfortable with command line tools who prioritize performance and customization over ease of use. For more information, check out llama.cpp's repository and documentation on GitHub. Comparing Ollama and llama.cpp highlights a trade-off between usability and efficiency. Ollama excels in providing a seamless, user-friendly experience with ready-to-use models and integrated tools, making it suitable for users who want quick setup and reliable performance on capable hardware. Conversely, llama.cpp shines in resource-constrained environments, offering highly optimized model execution with flexible customization, but requiring technical expertise to harness fully. For example, if you're a developer seeking a plug-and-play local AI with a graphical interface, Ollama is the better choice. If you prefer lightweight, open-source solutions that can run on modest machines and don't mind the command line, llama.cpp fits better. Both prioritize privacy by running models locally, but cater to different user needs and hardware capabilities. Choose Ollama if you want an accessible, polished local AI tool with strong model support and minimal setup. Ideal for users valuing ease and reliability. Opt for llama.cpp if you need a lightweight, customizable local AI solution that runs efficiently on limited hardware and you're comfortable with technical setup. Both tools empower local AI use, so select based on your priorities between usability and performance.